This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to session number 12. So the running topic is regular expressions. Here we are discussing a concept, pattern creations. We are discussing about the pattern creations. Ultimate target is filtration of the objects or lines in the given file or string. These regular expression concepts are supported by PowerShell with the help of the match and not match operators. Match and not match operators. If you submit any object or any string, if you submit to match operator with some pattern, if pattern contains that string, it returns true. Then after immediately we should call a variable matches. It is an automatic variable. When the above expression returns true, then we should call the matches variable. Pattern is nothing but scalar input. Simply, it is like a scalar input, special characters. So this information we have to see about the dollar matches variable. If you go to the documentation about the automatic variables, so in the search box, just to type dollar matches, there are 8 matches. Yes, this is one. The dollar matches variable works with the match operator and not match operators. When you submit scalar input like pattern to the match or not match operators, either one detects a match, they returns a boolean value and populate that value inside of the dollar automatic variable in the form of hash format. Simple information we have. So to create the patterns, we used /d for to represent any digit, only digit, anything from 0 to 9. /w for represent character set, that may be A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore. And /s, it's a single space, one space. And then we covered any other symbol if you want to write the pattern. If you want to write the pattern, just use backslash. Sorry. Here, one more symbol I forgot. That is a dot. Right. I think I didn't explain about the dot. Okay. Before going to see dot, I will explain yesterday's concept. Okay. If you want to represent any special character, I think I'm using forward slash. One second. Confusion with Linux and these concepts. Okay. Now, for example, /d star or /d plus, both are same. Continuously n number of digits. Continuously first occurrence. Continuously n number of digits. And if you want to repeat, this is like a limited times. If you want to repeat, like write in this way. But I said the best practice is whatever the pattern, if you want to repeat, write in the curly braces, sorry, parenthesis bracket, then after you can write this expression in this way. Both are same, no doubt, but it will avoid that upcoming mistakes. I mean, some other pattern is available before this one, there is a one confusion will come. So whatever you want to repeat, write in the parenthesis brackets, then after write the curly braces. So this concept we covered in a last session. Now in today's session, one more symbol, directly I'm writing dot. In the pattern I'm writing dot. Dot means any one character, enter your keyboard. Any one character, one single character. Any single character. For example, close lecture. like AWS, Azure. I do one thing. AWS, yeah, match a dot I'm using. Now tell me, is it true or false? First of all, Dart will take any character. If we need two consecutive letters, first side, first of all, hard coded here. It is very hard coded. I'm directly asking A. I'm not writing /W. Otherwise, if I write /W, what is the answer for this one? First, it is a two characters. First one is 63 character set. Then Dart means anything it will take, but should be beside the character. Pattern will work from left to right. From here it will work. So your pattern will one character, then Dart is there. Here Dart means anything it will take, but it should be here a character. What is the expected answer for this? What are the two matched characters?
False.
Definitely it is true. AW. First see. Now listen carefully. First A will come in this category, starting from A now. A will come under /W, correct? W we can represent with the dot. Can I represent a W with dot? Dot means any character. W also one of the character or not? See, your answer is true, and observe this result matches AWS. For example, sir, I am using this one. Now tell me that answer. I'm writing here.
False.
No, definitely it is true, no doubt. Your pattern will work from first character. Now, minus will come into the W. Please confirm it. Minus will come to the W.
No, underscore only will come.
Yes. Okay. Then after second one will come. Plus will come into the W. No. Then after W will come to the W character will come to the /W. It's one of the character in there. Yes. Next, immediately we have one more character here. For that one, dot is there. Can I represent S with the dot? Dot means any character in your keyboard. Now, can I represent this dot? Can I occupy with yes?
Yes.
Can I occupy with cap?
Yes.
Now, what is your expectation? Is it WS? See?
So here instead W, can we use some other number character also?
Yes, directly you can use hard-coded value. For example, here I'm using O. Now tell me, what is the expected answer? Hard-coded value, direct fixed value. What is the answer for this query? I want to here. It's true. I need O, and then after one character. Anything. O, one value. Is it correct or not? OU is correct or not?
Yeah, it's there.
For example, if I'm writing in this way, what is the answer for this? Different question. Definitely it returns
Any character,
no doubt.
any two characters, right? Yeah, true.
Minus plus.
Excellent, sir. Minus plus. Simple. Minus plus. Why? Because dot means we can represent anything. So it will start from here. Start from here. Okay. For example, if I'm writing, okay, I'm changing this one. I'm writing starting with A. I'm hard-coded character I'm providing. I'm not writing the pattern like W. Fix it should be starting with A. Then after dot I'm writing. Is it true or false? Definitely
True.
it is false. No, false. Why? Because I'm using more dots. How many
more
are you
dots,
using?
okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But other side we don't have that one. A is already over. See? But if I use like limited, it returns true and this is a matched value. But I want to represent, should be starting with A, then after A, starting
Dot
with
star can be placed.
Dot star. See, we will get everything, including space. Dot star means Dot star means n number of characters it will take. Based on the given object value, it will decide. So this is an important point I forgot in yesterday's session. Any character, so dot star, continuous n number of digits. So now today's
how can we mention like only the first 4 characters, first 10 characters like that?
first, okay, that I am coming to that. Just ask same question after 5.
Okay.
So there is a one symbol is there. This is a cap symbol. We will call this is also caret symbol also. Cap or caret symbol. Cap symbol is a famous word, and then after dollar symbol this is. So cap symbol we will use to filter the objects based on the starting with keyword. And dollar symbol we will use for ending with. The syntax is starting with cap and keyword, ending with keyword dollar. Keyword dollar. See, I'm writing one more expression like Python scripting. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. I'm writing hard-coded value script. I'm writing script. What is the answer for this? Python scripting containing script word instead of that one.
Yes.
This is a one of part. Okay. Same way, if I'm using cap symbol, cap script. What is the
False.
meaning of this?
No, true. The other word is starting with script, right?
Yes, this object, first of all, Python scripting. My target of this value is, see, cap symbol, nothing but starting with. Is it starting with script? The left side object is starting with script. Cap means starting with. Is it starting with script or Python? This object is starting with which characters? Is it starting with script?
Python.
Yes, this is not starting with not script, false. For example, if I use P, is it true? Is it starting with P?
Correct. Yeah, it's starting with Python.
Sir, I want to represent all characters. First to P, then after I want to represent remaining characters. Starting with P, then after anything. So here I am taking hard-coded. Can I use not star? If I use two dots will only come. I mean, matched value will come. P, Y, T. But we don't know how many characters are there after P. Can I use dot star?
P star.
No, not P star, dot star. P star means continuation of P's only.
Continuous of P, correct. Yeah, correct.
But dot star, it's nothing but anything, dot. So based on the requirement, it will pick up. Python scripting. Python scripting here. Python scripting is added. Similarly, I want to write this one. Is it ending with like ing? How to write it? Is it correct? Ending with ing. See, ing dollar. See the syntax. Keyword dollar. Is it correct? The meaning is eng dollar. Ending with eng. This object. This string is ending.
It will print only scripting.
Ing. But how to represent total before characters? Before also we have some characters are there now. How to represent these characters? From here to here, how to represent? So shall I maintain the countable dots, or can I use dot star? Is it correct? Can I use dot star? Continuous dot star. Then after ending this should be ing. Is it fine? Is it clear, sir, about the dollar symbol and cap symbol? Okay, one more. I mean, we will see some more examples.
Can we have few more example? Yeah.
I'm giving that one. Okay. In getIPhone service, take this one. Display name property value. Starting with like application keyword. Starting with application, then after anything. Yes, get service. Starting with, for example, this is a plain output. Plain output we have. I want to get the objects where the display name property value is starting with application, like this one. Okay, with the regular expression, normally we can achieve this one with like operator also. Is it right? Like display name, sorry, match cap starting with application or any one character or one word. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Is all these are starting with application or not? But
We can go with like also, right? So what? Why
yes,
we are
you can
preferring
also
match
go
here?
with the like operator also. That is also possible. Like then after start. This is a with the like operator. Correct. It is with the match operator. Now tell me, in this expression, this pattern is representing entire display name property value, only this one, only application keyword. See, if I call $matches variable immediately, last object is coming by a pipeline operator. Last object value is application management. But what it is showing on the screen? Last object property value is the application
Only
management.
application.
But it is showing as application. But I want to represent the entire property value. What should I type after
Application
the
dot star.
application dot star? Now see, is there any change? Last object, every time one object will move via pipeline to verify an object. See, when it returns to true, the last object value is came or not. Comparing with previous one to here.
It show only the last object, so won't show all the matches.
No, pipeline operator. This variable can contains only one object value only. No, every time one object will process. What we have this
Got
one.
it. Got it. Sorry. Thank you.
Similarly, can we write the ending with keyword? How to write ending with, for example, ending with layer? Layer is a keyword. How to write here?
Dollar.
Ending
Dollar.
first layer dollar.
Dollar.
But I want, okay, there is no objects. Maybe I will layers.
Identity.
Some any other word? Okay. Identity. We will
Service.
take. Services so many are there. I will take identity. There is one object above is there. But how to write before characters? Can I write dot star? Before
star.
any, see, from here to here I'm representing. From here to up to space I'm representing with dot star. No, sir, I want to get only ending with Y. Yes, all these are ending with Y. All these are ending with Y. So different question I'm going to do.
Ending with Y in the sense I have a query like, so what if one single name having multiple Ys?
No. This
For
property.
application identity, for example, application. I mean, here itself we can instead of Y we are mentioning I. So in application we have 2 I, identity we have 1 I. So totally we have 3 I in this display name itself. So
always no. Always it will take the first occurrence only. First occurrence only it will take up this one.
see,
So
ending with I. So
ending
can
with
you try for I?
definitely.
I,
So ending with I. Ending with Y. There are no objects.
So
Ending
whatever
with
the last ending letter it is there, we should mention.
this one. For example, final object.
Okay, got it. Sorry, sir. Okay.
For example, yes, maybe with yes we have so many objects. Ending with yes or not? Okay, different question.
Sorry, it's my.
Okay, no problem. Starting with the single operation, starting with the R, ending with the ending with, for example, yes. This is my requirement. How to write it? First write individually, starting with the R,
Cap R.
cap R, then ending with
Yes, dollar.
yes dollar. Between we have any number of characters, any number of character. Am I right in the white space?
Dot star. Dot star.
Yes. Is it clear, sir? Samir, Santosh.
And we also don't need to put cap here. We can start with R without cap, right?
Without cap, it is fine. But see, without cap, the problem is other things also will come. Like see, other things also came or not. Somewhere we have a R and ended with S. Somewhere it started R, ended with S. Somewhere it is started R, ended with S. But my requirement should be a R, should be a S. Definitely we should use this one. Now this is the difference. Actually, it is a one of the logical operator behavior. Logical operator and. With the logical operator and we can achieve this one. But with the so and means we can checking here how many conditions? Two conditions we are checking. One property value is starting with or, another property value is ending with yes. But the same answer we can get with the help of the one of the two symbols, just not one of the two symbols of these there of the regular expression starting and ending. That's all. Very simple. Simple starting with and the one thing here you can achieve the same thing with the like operator also. With the like operator also it is possible. See, like operator, four behaviors are there. Like operator with wildcard, starting with, ending with, containing, and exact. The exact another operator.
Do we have any case sensitive in these matches?
Sorry, I'm not getting your word.
Case sensitive in these matches.
Definitely you can
Operator.
use C match, C match, C match, C match. For example, see, I'm writing here case ends to ing. Now, what is the expected answer? Capital G I'm writing. Is it true? Ending with, I'm writing dot star, ending with case ends to C match. Small in, capital G is there. It is false, first of all. There is no chance. In here also, filtration time also you can use C. See, I'm not using cap symbol. That is a problem. If I use cap symbol, only two objects we will get. By complete PowerShell words having first word in the one word only. See, remote access. You're containing two words.
So what?
First word.
What if we can compare two properties here? So name and display name.
Is it possible at a time with comparison operator? What is the main behavior of the comparison operators? Very starting I said this word. With the help of the comparison operators, we can compare two values only. That is a basic rule. If you want to check more than one condition, we should learn C. We should learn logical operators. We can compare only two values. So for example, if you want to test more than one condition at a time, absolutely, your question is correct. But the topic, for the topic, we need to wait some time. For example, you're asking name property value starting with like R, cap R. And another condition, if you're writing like display name starting with for example, ending with service. This is answer for your query, but it takes a lot of time to reach this area.
Okay.
But this is
So
answer.
we will be covering it.
Upcoming after the comparison operators, we will see that.
Okay.
So this is about the starting and ending options. Next concept is we need to understand the number patterns. Before that one, we need to understand one beautiful concept about the brackets. These brackets are most important in the filtration. So square brackets work with hyphen. Parenthesis brackets will work with pipeline operator, but in the PowerShell that is a pipeline. Here it is a R, and curly braces work with comma. For example, take the one example. See, if I'm writing first, I am taking square brackets. If I take the characters, see, if I'm writing A to C, should write in the consecutive order only. I mean, A to Z only, should not write Z to A. If I write A to Z, or if I write 2 to 4 digits only. See, what is the meaning of this A to C means, at any given point, either A will detect, or B will detect, or C will detect in the pattern. Slowly observe one example. If I'm writing high statement, I'm submitting match. I'm writing here A to, for example, E to K, and the next one is EM to, otherwise A to I is a ninth character. Now I'm taking K. First, is it true or false? That is the first thing. Left side right side pattern giving how many characters at any given point? One square bracket will give one character at a time. This square bracket also will give one character. I mean, this is a 2 character set. 2 characters pattern. First 2. Yes. The first character is H will come. H is part of this E to F. Anywhere you have a H. E to K.
Yeah,
H
it's
will come
coming. Yeah,
somewhere. I mean, it
yeah.
will see F, G, H, everything it will match. So wherever the match will come, H. Next, immediately one more character, consecutive 2 characters. One is from this range, another from I is from here. It's a case instance I'm using.
See,
I will come.
what if that H is not matching with this first sector? So will it H will be compared with the second
Second
bracket?
character, I. Yes, if it is, for example, okay, first I will complete this one. See, first it is matching. Next, immediately one more character is coming from this range. A to K, A to K, I is there or not? A to K, I is there or not? K is the 11th character. K is the first character. I is the 9th character. Okay, for example, one more thing, sir. Now, first, tell me, sir, Z will come from the first one?
శ్రీరామ్ పాలతో
No.
తాగడం బెటర్ నాన్న.
Anil. Z will come from here. Please confirm it.
Sorry.
Z will come from here.
No, it's false. Yeah.
I mean, your pattern skip this character, then your pattern again restart from the next character, first pattern. See? True. Next, immediately one more character also coming here. Yes. So anywhere, I mean, here the logic is I'm not using any cap symbol here. Simply I'm asking, see, this expression I'm submitting, and I'm asking it returns true. What is the matched value? Dollar matches high. For example, if I'm writing one more word, A to P, what is your expected answer? It is expecting how many characters? Right, selected one. How many characters at a time it will give? I mean, what?
3 characters.
3 characters. But this line we have only 2. Simply it is false. First it is false. For example, if I write some characters, definitely somewhere it is true. The matched value is, it returns true. The matched value is HIA. Even if I write some extra, some other characters, see, it is true and matched value is HIA. Skipping the first character, wherever we have the match, that is moving. Okay, now interesting example I'm saying here. I'm writing some objects. Azure, AWS, for example, GCP, DevOps, for example, starting with PowerShell, And for example, next one is a Python. So we have a like 5 to 6 objects are there. Nothing but lines are there. Objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects are there. So I want to pick up the objects which are starting with either A or B or C up to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G only. For example, if I have a, for example, C language, C++, or C language, whatever that one. So starting with A to G, I want to pick up. See, maths, starting with the, is it correct A to G? Is it correct? Is it correct? A to G, is it correct or not?
It is
Yes,
correct,
correct.
but it will display only one property, right?
No, I will come. So, no, tell me. But what is the symbol for starting with? We should use, what is that? Cap symbol or not?
Cap.
Cap, starting with either, first object will come. First, starting with A to G, yes. Next, starting with A to G, yes. Next. But how many characters it will give finally?
One.
How many? Only one character will be, I mean, out of A to G, one is valid. If it is true, definitely one is valid. Is it correct? Is it correct? These all
It is
objects are
not
starting
recommended.
from these all
Type
objects.
of C++.
C is there. Is it
Okay,
starting
got
with
it. Yeah,
first
right.
character?
Okay.
First character.
So
But how to represent
whatever
it?
letter starting with A to G, so it is displaying here.
Yes. For example, I'm changing my question A to D only. List is small or not?
Right.
Starting with I'm using. For example, without cap symbol, what is the
Understood,
meaning?
understood.
Anywhere.
Only
Without anywhere. This is
wherever it
completely
is.
wrong. That is not our requirement. Starting with either A or B or C or D or E. Sir, up to D only. Then how to represent remaining character? Can I use dot star? First character, any one of them from this list out of 4, starting with A or B or C or D, then after anything. Is it correct? What is the meaning of this expression? Starting with either A word, either
Anything
B,
apart.
anything A to D. Then after remaining characters, I'm using anything. For example, come back here. See, simple thing, in the same display name property we will take. I want to pick up display name property starting with either A or B or C or D. How to write it? Yes, display name property starting with either A. Is it correct? At least give me answer. Starting with either A to D. Anything?
E.
Dot star.
Star
Then
dot.
dot star. Dot dot dot. So it will pick up only one character. See, observe the result. Correct? Yes or no?
Correct, yeah.
For example, starting with X to Z or W to Z. Yes. Starting with either W, starting with either X, starting with Y, either Z. The objects. So similarly, ending concept also. Character concept is very easy, sir, to understand, but numbers is important. So biggest concept I'm explaining now, number patterns. So it is the last one, but it will take 2 days time. For example, I'm writing this number. Closely observe this and give the answer. You think like everything is a string only here. Yes. What is the matched value and what is the 2 digits? Definitely it will give to you 2 digits.
7, 9.
7, 9. That's all. First digits will start from 3. 3 is coming from here. No. Again, your pattern from work from 4. 4 is coming from first bracket? No.
No.
7 is coming from here? Next, immediately one more character should be from 8 to 9. Yes. Simple one, no? Anywhere we have this one. Seven, 9. But when we work with, for example, I want to take a 2-digit number as an input, sir. I mean, I want to check, is it okay, 1 second. I will give to you one important thing. When we write the pattern, we have to use these symbols, number patterns. So why we should use this one, sir? Without this one, can we write? Yes, we can write it. But for example, I am expecting for how to write the pattern for example, how to write the pattern for example, just to give me answer, 10 to 39. How to write the pattern? Any number from this 10 to 39. I want to write the pattern. I want to create a pattern in the numbers. So tell me, smallest number here and biggest number having 2 digits. All are 2-digit numbers. Smallest number is 2 digits, that is 10. Biggest number also 2-digit number. So I mean everything in the form of 2 digits. I have to cover 10 to 39. Every number I should cover. So 2 numbers we have to write in the pattern. See, I mean, for example, user is providing some number. I want to write match. This one I want to write. The first number here, the first bracket should indicate, here indicating tens position numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds is there, no? Next it is a ones position. Now tell me, what is the possible answers in the given number? What are the possible answers? Digits are coming in the tens position numbers. For smallest
0
number,
to 9.
no. Close object. My terminology here, observe. It is a tens position digit. It is a ones position digit. What is a 10 given number in the given set 10 to 39? What is the smallest number tens position digit? What is the smallest number tens position digit?
1 and 2.
1 and
Smallest number tens position digit 1. Biggest number ones position, sorry, tens position digit
3.
that you have to write here 1, 2, 3. And what about ones position? Smallest number ones position number is 0. Biggest position number is 9. 0 to 9. Now closely observe, always it is not correct. We need to observe and we need to analyze this one. Now tell me, every number we are getting from this set 10 to 39. Closely observe. For example, from set number 1, and from here we can get the 0. Yes or no? And from here we will get 1, and 1 also will come here. Here we can get 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, 3 only from this set. But from this set, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come. Yes or no, sir? Is it possible to get all numbers? For example, I am asking 28. Is it coming? 20. 2 from here, 8 will come from here. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Right, yes.
So this pattern will give to you all numbers 10 to 39. 10 to 39. Sir, is it clear? Venkat, Vignesh, please confirm it. This pattern is clear. First of all, how I am taking this one, biggest number tens position.
Navin,
Here,
can you explain this one more time?
I did not understand.
okay. For example, I want to write the pattern for 79. Here, what is the minimum number of digits and maximum number of digits in this number?
Minimum 2.
Maximum is 79. So both are 2-digit numbers. Yes?
Okay.
Both are 2-digit numbers or not?
Yes.
Take the 2 square brackets. Okay. Now, this is first bracket, left side bracket is indicating tens position number. and right side square bracket is indicating it's a ones or unit place or ones position. Now in the smallest number and biggest number, what is the range we have? Smallest number tens position number is 2.
2-7.
Biggest number tens position is 7. So what is the range? 2 to 7 is coming or not? Here 2 and here 7. 2 to 7. And what is the unit place range? 0 to 9. Just write unit place numbers 0 and here 9. Just to take tens position numbers into, normally it is not possible all situation, but it is very easy here. I'm writing this one here and I'm writing this one here. Now tell me, every number is coming from this range. For example, if I ask 55, 55 will come here, 5 will come from here.
Yes.
2 to 7 means 5 is there or not? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
2 is there or not?
Yes.
So any given point, one point is valid. Here 3. Or for example, I'm asking 53. Yes. What about 97? 9 will come from tens position.
No.
9 will come from the tens position. No, not possible. It is not possible.
No.
Not possible. Santosh is here. Santosh. Sam.
Yes. Clear.
For example, same pattern if I submit 34 match this pattern. Is it true or false?
True.
It is true. It is true. It is 34. Okay. For example, why we should use this bracket? That's my question. Where is that this bracket? I am going to give the explanation. Now closely observe here. If I am writing in this way, is it true or false?
False.
No.
True.
How many digits we are expecting from here? How many digits at any given point?
2 digits.
2 digits. The 2 digits, first 2 digit numbers. The first digit should be in the form of 2 to 7. Any number between 2 to 7. Next number is any number from 0 to 9. Your pattern will work from here. 9 is coming? No.
No.
It will skip. Again, pattern will work from 7. 7 is coming. Excel is coming. 2 to 7, 7 is coming or not?
Yes.
Next, immediately one more character should be from the next set. Yes.
73.
23 is up. See, is it correct? Matches, dollar matches. But see, actually we are writing 2-digit number pattern, but it is taking more than 2 digits or not?
Yes.
For checking purpose.
The initial character is 2 and it's taking the 9 also.
Yes, initial character is 9. I mean, 9 character will work with the first pattern.
Okay.
If it is correct, next pattern. If, for
So,
example, 9 is failed, then
we'll go to the
pattern will
next
start from.
next one to match
Exactly.
the character. Okay.
Yes, for example, 9th one is failed. First, it will try in this way. If it is failed, then after your pattern will work from next character with the first pattern.
Okay. So it will take the initial character with the available next character.
Exactly. Left to right. Simply.
If in this case, so instead of 9, if you're mentioning 2, so in that case, the first case will be get matches. So what if we don't have?
Yes. Then it will.
Got it,
First attempt only it is
in case if
success.
if other remaining apart from 2, if other remaining numbers. So here we have number, but in case if the number is not getting matched, so it will list to only 2, right?
Yes. For example, this one.
Yeah,
No?
because the second square bracket we mentioned 0 to 9. So consider if you are mentioning only 8 to 9 or something like that.
1, 2, 3, for example.
Okay.
Which is a matched value here?
We have 3 here. So can we remove 3 from square. I mean 73499.
Here, what should I write?
No, here 1 to 3 is fine, but this one the number remove the number 3.
Okay. There is no match.
Okay, because it
For
should
example,
2 to 7, right? So 2 should put 2 number continuously. Got it. Okay.
continuously, 2 digits continuously. 2 is there, but thereafter characters are there. It will work from here, but 7 is fine, but next character is not from 1 to 3. That's why it is false. But if I write
Can
here,
you do one example with the cup symbol and that bracket?
I will come to that one. Definitely, I'm good. I'm trying to explain that one only. First, so is it correct? 73 is a matching one or not here now? After modifying 74 as 73, is it work? Will it
Yeah,
work?
it's working. It should work. 73.
The problem of this method is it is taking. I am writing the expression for 2 digits, but I'm right side. I'm taking left side. I'm taking more than 2 digits. I don't want to this approach. So if you don't want to this approach, simply you have to write only one thing. Your entire expression you have to write. For example, you are writing this value. So if you write in the cap and run this bracket dollar symbol, if you write the pattern in this way, the meaning is very simple. Always it will take how many minimum and maximum digits will come from the pattern? 2 to 7, 0 to 9. At any given point, how many digits of the number will come?
2 digit.
Only 2 digits. If you right side, left side, if you are submitting more than 2 digits, directly in single shot it will throw an error like false. Error means it won't take that one. Previously, the same answer is true or not? Same answer is true or not? For example, without caps, for example, I'm not using any symbol. See, if I'm writing 55, definitely it is true or not? Why? Because somewhere we have 2 to 7 and 0 to 9. Yes or no? But when I write this expression, what is the exact meaning of this one? Right, left side, first of all, it should be 2-digit number. See, then only it will evaluate. See, for example, I'm writing 25. Okay, 2-digit number. Will we get from this range? Will we get from this range?
Yes, true.
Yeah.
Yes.
2 from here, 5 from here. Then first, what is the count of the digits? 2. Okay, then it will work. It returns true. Yes, match is also, that is 25. Second time. You don't think about this hash format algorithm. You have to concentrate here. So these symbols,
Should be
it is not
always left to right.
left to right only. That is same approach only.
Okay.
Left to right. So these symbols, nothing but we are using to fix it of these symbols we are using to fix the given input for the number of digits. For example, I want to write a pattern for 100 to 1 like 230 39. I want to write the, for example, I will take the smallest number, this one. Sir, I am giving to you exactly easiest patterns, but always your question is not in this format. Now tell me how many square bracket sets I should take?
2.
3.
3. Smallest and biggest are all are same. It's a 100 position, 10th position, and 1's position. Now tell me, what is the minimum 100th position number of in the smallest number and biggest number?
1.
Here is 1. Here also it is 1. Only 1. Can I write here hard coded 1? Next, what is about the 10th position now? In the smallest number and biggest number, 10th position?
0 to 8.
0 here, 8 here. Can I write here 0 to 8? 1's position?
0 to 9.
0 to 9. Now tell me, every number are we getting from this list? 100 to 189?
Yes.
Praveen, yes?
I think
Is
it
it
will be
correct?
tough if the numbers are getting increased. Instead of now, it is only 3 digit.
Simple. 3-digit number, 3 square brackets. For example, okay, I think I will write the smallest one. Here, I think it is very easy writing in this way. 1 to 2, 0 to 9. Yes.
Right.
And what I said, these things we have to fix in this pattern. So it will take the input always between 10 to 29. Let's check that one. For example, 20 match this value. Yes. 19 is there from this range. 10 to 29 is there. 19 is correct one or not?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if I give 30,
False. No. Yeah, false. Right.
why? Because 3 is not coming from here now.
Right.
Now the question, what is the important concept is here? Now tell me, write the pattern for 20 to 45. Yes. Give the answer.
2 to 4.
It is tens and it is a ones. Ones position. Okay, 2 to 4 here. Next. Here.
0 to 5.
0 to 5.
Will it cover every number 20 to 45? 20
Yeah.
means 2 is coming from here, 0 is coming from here. So 35 is coming from here.
Yeah.
26 is coming from here.
No.
No, but our pattern is wrong. Pattern is wrong. So that's why I'm saying to you, always patterns questions won't come direct way. This is the thing we have to learn here. Now tell me then how to write it. How to write this pattern here? 26, 36, 27, 28, 38. These numbers we are not getting. Yes or no? If you see 26, 2 is coming from here, but 6 is not coming from this one's position. Same approach we followed. 2 to 4 we written in this bracket. One's position we written here, but it is not working.
Correct.
So here we have to learn the pattern design. Pattern design is the next one. I mean, based on the smallest number, biggest number. This is a very big concept. It will take still 2 sessions are required. So I mean, every time here, whatever I selected here, the easiest numbers I selected based on the plan I selected provided here. See, whatever I provided to you, smallest number having 0 in its unit place, biggest number having 9 in its unit place. But when I change the question in this way, here highly impossible to create the pattern in the direct method. But ultimately, this is a required one to take the, for example, if I'm writing 3 square brackets, it is nothing but always it will take the 3-digit input, fixed to 3-digit input. So whatever you are designing the pattern, that we will see how to create the pattern for 20 to 45, that we will see in next session. Important, coming 2 sessions are important. Finally, we have to create IPv4 pattern. IPv4 pattern we have to create. For example, if I take a IPv4 address, A value anything from 0 to 255, dot 0 to 255, 0 to 255, any number will available. 0 to 255, IPv4. If you take this is A, B, C, D like that, so maybe that is any number. So one pattern value is any number from 0 to 255. How to write the pattern? Indirectly, my question is write the pattern for 0 to 255. To achieve this concept, first we should good at how to create this pattern. Every number we should get, but we are failing here. That things we will see in tomorrow's session. Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.